To DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just had this lovely Jaguar XF R Sport Estate arrive into stock. It's the black edition, which means all wherever it should be chrome is black. Black grille, red badge, lovely metallic blue with contrasting lovely light grey alloy wheels, absolutely gleaming. Rear privacy glass, all the R Sport body styling kit, as you can see, with park distance control, electric tailgate. You can see it's in lovely condition throughout. All our cars are videoed and pictures outside because the light is better, but for viewing they all are kept inside our indoor showroom. The tow bar on this if you want as well. You see this is protecting the underneath, it's lovely. Got the parcel shelf, obviously electric tailgate. Half leather Alcantara trim with a white stitch piping. Meridian sound system, electric windows, electric seats. Absolute seats, there's no wear on them whatsoever. I'll just start the car up. You can see all the air vents open and close. Mileage on the car is just 102,873 miles. Got reverse camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, full media pack, aux and a USB there, climate control, heated seats as well, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, lovely piano black inserts there. This car drives absolutely lovely. DJH, we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.